Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
This is Monday Musing 12.
Yes, it is.
Hello. Yeah. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
It's been a while, hasn't it?
yes, sorry about that.
Been on holiday and stuff.
Sorry about the dog.
Play.
Waffle. Yeah, we've gone on holiday and
Been
just
camping a bit.
we've done a lot of camping.
Yeah. And
What else happened? Nothing.
can't think of anything really.
No, but anyway, I think
We've been doing some new videos, haven't we? That's something we have been doing.
So big news. So we have actually got quite a lot of
big
news to update you on rather than just sitting here
Not a lot
today.
of
So
news.
we've launched something new, which is very exciting, on our YouTube account, which is how to. New how to crochet videos from the absolute first step of crocheting. We've done 2 so far, but we're doing another one today. So the first one is
How to do a chain,
how to
start, how to hold the yarn, and
what yarn to get, what hook,
roughly,
how to do a slip knot, total basics.
And then we did one on double crochet, which is the first sort of stitch, or as we say, single crochet in America. And today we're going to move on to trebles
And doubles.
Trebles and doubles.
We've done doubles, so trebles, brackets, doubles, the US.
Yes, and then we'll do some other stuff. We'll do some patterns, look through some patterns, maybe some granny squares.
We'll definitely do a granny square.
And just stuff
So what
like
makes
that.
them a little bit different to normal boring videos is that it's the 2 of us. So Susan is actually teaching me, which you would think she shouldn't have to do because I thought I could crochet, but I seem to have forgotten it all.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
What I would say is I'm not sure how clear, I've looked at them and I'm not sure how clear when you're going into the stitches, so I'm not sure if it's easy to see.
I think it is actually. I think it's your eyesight. 'Cause actually, just update, you left your reading glasses here on Friday.
Oh, did I?
Yes. I think if you put those on,
you think?
You'll be able to, because I could see, yes. So
have you got them now?
Yeah, they're in the kitchen.
Okay, good.
Because what happened was I put them on the weekend and I thought, oh my god, my eyesight is so bad.
Right, okay.
And then
Can I just clarify that my prescription is less than yours?
No, that's why I couldn't see anything.
Yeah,
so I was saying I've got my new glasses on. Anyway, as they would say, you need to hit subscribe in our YouTube channel.
Yes, and we will be doing some. We're doing some knitting. We're going to finish off crochet sort of this week, aren't we?
Yeah.
And then we'll finish off the basics, and we're going to start knitting. So Karen's going to teach me how to knit. Yeah. Because my knitting is a bit like Karen's crochet. I can sort of do it, but I get a bit bored. I sort of throw it behind the sofa because I don't know. It's just dropping stitches. So
it's a bit
boring.
It's quite technical knitting. Susan's not sort of that kind of thing.
So I've got quite a short attention span. So we'll see how that goes.
Yes. So anyways, that is exciting, and so that is going on. More exciting stuff is we've actually got some new things to show you.
Karen's done some stuff. I'm sure I've done some stuff. I just can't think what it is.
Yeah.
What? I did a jumper.
Yeah. Anyway,
let's get that out actually next time.
So should we show first thing first?
Yeah.
Do you want to put this on?
I'll put this on if you want. Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm quite impressed with this.
This is a new snood.
Because this is just 2 skeins, 1 skein of the dark colour and 1 skein of the contrast.
Are you going to tell people what
They are licorice and bubblegum.
They are.
Yes.
And it's a snood. Should I put it on?
You can put it on if you want.
Oh, it's so nice.
So I really like this. I can't believe how far the yarn's gone. And I really like this because it's quite structured.
In it.
So it doesn't actually, sometimes these things just drop down, don't they? But actually that just stays so really
nice.
close.
It's nice because it's all textured. But
what is that stitch anyway?
It's a slip stitch. I don't know. I was going to call it some kind of ladder thing.
So it's not like it's clever. You're not carrying yarn or anything.
Well, it's clever. But the clever thing about it is it looks like it's difficult.
It looks very difficult.
It's very simple.
And that is done in the round, isn't it, Karen?
In the round, no seam.
Really clever.
I'm so excited because I'll just find it. You actually can't even see.
No.
But it's there. that bit there, that is where the round changes, and you can't see it at all.
Because it's sort of garter stitch, you just can't see it, can you? And then the other thing I think it's worth saying is, how long did this take you to do? You did
literally that took about 3 hours.
Karen started it and finished it yesterday, so that's quite impressive. I think, you know, even I could possibly have a go at that.
Well, you could, and we could do that on one of our new knitting videos to show you how to do that.
Stuff like that, because that's a bit more interesting.
Stitch is the way to go, really, certainly with
that's the inside.
Thick wool. It's cool.
Neat, isn't it? So Karen, you've done something else with the stitch, haven't you?
I have. Should I put this on as well?
Yes.
I'll just go off camera and put it on and come back.
Oh, I could put it on.
Oh, do you want to put it on?
Yeah.
Is it way too big for you?
I don't know. Do you know how much wool is in it?
Yep. 8 skeins of wool.
What I would say is it's a little bit short on you.
It is a bit short, but
sit down.
I like short things with my newly toned body from Jo. Oh. Well, you can't see it. The audience can't see how short it is. It's cropped. It's really cool, isn't it?
Yes, it's lovely.
It's very not got a very good angle. It's very look. Oh, it's so cool. I so love it. Do you love it?
Yeah, it's very, very nice.
It is, isn't it?
The increasing is very nice as well along the
look at that detailing there.
Detailing there is very nice.
So
have you written the pattern for this, Karen?
It is just being tech edited, Susan.
Is it?
Yes.
Who's tech editing it then?
Someone that we know. Anyway.
And so what I quite like about this is it's quite cropped on Karen, but obviously
do you want to put it on?
You can just make it.
You just go on about it. Oh, you can make it longer.
You can obviously just.
So
make
you need
it
4 skeins of each colour for this.
You can make these longer if you don't like crop sleeves.
Yeah, well. I just got a bit bored. I'm not sure about because what I didn't want to do because they're quite bell sleeves.
So there's no decreasing in these sleeves. So I agree because I tend to get catch it on the door.
I didn't want to do any decreasing because it's actually quite a thick fabric actually.
It'd be quite tricky with this pattern.
Well, it would just get a bit. I mean, it'd be fine. You could do it, obviously, but I don't know. I think it's a statement piece.
And what size is that, and how many skeins are in that then?
Well, this is this size.
It's kind of medium then, I think.
Well, I think it would be medium because a bit of positive ease in here, isn't there? Because it's very. I mean, anyone could wear it really, but it's probably a bit big. But the sizing just changes along this increase point here, so you can do.
Are you just suggesting you're not going to do any sizing?
I am. I've done sizing actually.
Right, okay.
It's so rude, just so rude. Where's your jumper pattern?
So how many skeins are in there?
I've said that. 4 of each colour, 8 skeins.
8 skeins, okay.
It's so nice, isn't it?
So have you written the pattern?
Yes, we're going over old ground now, but it isn't published yet.
I'm just not really listening.
You're not listening.
So this will be published very quickly.
Oh well, that'll be out today.
So we'll put this on Instagram as well.
Oh, that's better. Gosh, I can't see anything without this. Yes, that'll be out today, and this will be out a bit later when we double triple checked it.
By the end of the week, I think. Yeah.
Do you? Okay. Well, maybe you should publish the pattern as well.
Okay, I will do.
Yeah,
I will.
You heard it here.
Good. I don't have anything else to say.
No. So have a look at the crochet how-tos. If you've got any thoughts of things that you'd like us to show you how to do, just say, because we can do all sorts of things. And yes, so we hope you like what we're doing.
Yeah.
And yes, we'll be back very soon with Susan will be back next week with the jumper pattern that she's about to write. And she's just reminding us what that jumper is. No, you can do that next week. I'll give you time to think. You seem very confident that you've got one.
I've got 2.
Well, there we are. That's 2 crochet jumper patterns coming this time next week, everyone. Anyway, sorry about the noise from the trains and the dog and the planes. But, that's urban living for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or very urban at my house, anyway.
Yeah, okay. Well, I think that's it, isn't it?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.